So in one of my previous videos, the Hathway video, I made a lot of things. You can check the playlist. I made a complete thing on internet issues, all kind of things. You can check the icon later on. In that part, one of my subscriber or viewer, he asked me to make a video on how to convert a 2.5 GHz modem into 5G, the ultra fast modem. So we are going to talk about that, the 2.4 GHz modem into the 5G modem, all the kind of thing in this video. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrah Tech. So in this channel I do videos, reviews, tutorials like this one. It's not like a tutorial, yeah, you can keep like that, and also some tips and videos which will help you out in your day-to-day life. So you can talk about technology, because technology is the future. It's the next generation. It's like a next era of the thing. So if you're new here, smash that subscribe or like button, whatever you like after watching this video. So it will be much appreciable by me. So it will like a support to me. So let's move on to the video. So a couple of months before, I made a video on the Hathway Renewal, how I renewed the Hathway thing. You can check the iCard. Also I put all the videos in the description below. You can check it out later on. So on that video, in the last ending part, I mentioned you that I will make another video on how to convert that thing. So this is that video. Actually, when I went to the office on the time to Renewal, I asked them about, I'm using the Hathway thing for a couple of years, like 4 to 5 years, so long, and I'm having the only one modem which you gave at the beginning of the time. So it will be much helpful if you just convert the modem, or you replace, or you just change the modem. I asked them. He said that now we are having some kind of 5G modem, so we can just replace such kind of thing. He said, okay, it's great, we do the thing. I said, but the one thing they said is that it's kind of funny, but okay, it's the truth what I did. They just asked me to pay 200 rupees. So in India, I'm talking about India. I asked them why I should pay, because I'm a very old customer and have been using your thing and you are not giving any such benefits. I asked them, sorry sir. They said that one word, sorry sir, that's it. Another one thing they said is that previous month, actually I don't know when I went there. For example, you take this as September month, the previous month, or I went around August, I think so. They said till July, the previous month till July, we had that offer, free router, but from this month we are giving routers for cash, like that thing. So why I should be the guy to take the router at a cost, not a free of cost? So that's the thing I would to start up with you. So what is that? I just availed the 5G modem. I just went on Saturday or Friday, I think so, within a couple of days, like 2 to 3 days, on Monday or Tuesday, I think, I don't know, I'm not sure. On after 2 to 3 days, somewhat it's been a delay. I said you just make it as soon as possible, but they didn't do that. Okay, just fine, due to some COVID-19, all that kind of struggling thing. They have some precautions and everything, such things. So I'm not just complaining, so it's the truth. So one guy came afternoon at 1 or 2 o'clock, like 2 o'clock, I think so. He came and he just came up with this boxy thing, the modem. You can see here it says ZTE and all kind of thing. You can see on the right side it says, sorry, it just slipped me, there's some product keys and all kind of stuff. Nothing much, just he came with this box, and I made a small unboxing video. I just shoot when he came. I just took my tripod and my camera, that's the phone I'm recording, and I recorded. You can see the video is not good, it's all messed up things here. So he just unboxed this boxy thing, which I'm unboxing now also, and he just took the modem. You can see it's not here. The modem he took and it's connected, and inside the modem, it came with a kind of LAN cable. I already have a previous LAN cable, so I didn't upgrade. I didn't put this new LAN cable for future thing. I kept this one, and also they gave a kind of user manual. You can see here. So that's all about this. And you can see in my role is that he came and he just set up with the thing, and he just made some kind of a connection, all of them. It's a very simple task for them. So as you can see here in this video, so he came and he just changing the modem, he just removing the PO in the cable, the yellowish cable, and then he's changing the wire, all kind of thing. So I just kept the camera so in case to show you guys so how they're doing that thing. And another good thing is that you can notice that he's just wearing the mask and all kind of precautions he's making. So that's good to go. It's very much it's very good in this COVID-19 situations. And another one thing is that the old modem, as you can see, the old modem is very small compared to the new modem. Yeah, I'm kidding. Yeah, I'm kidding. It's not that much small. If we compare it, you can see the difference is that the old modem has only 2 ports for LAN ports for computer with your computer or your LAN, okay, what device you're using. That LAN port, it has only 2 ports, and the newer one has 4 LAN ports, which is very much useful, very much handy to use in all occasions. It's very much useful. And you can also observe that in a new modem it has a USB port. So that's a kind of tricky question I asked him. Sir, what in this modem, in this 2021 trends, some of the routers are having a USB port. What is the use for that? He just said me that, sir, I really don't know. I am also asking the company and they are not saying what is the purpose of that. So he just said he don't know. But I figured out with one of my friend who's living in nearby, is my friend. He just said me that if you do not have a LAN port in your PC or in your laptop or whatever device you're using, at that time you can just insert the USB type A cable to the router and USB type A cable to the computer or PC, and the internet will be connected like a LAN port. Yeah, it just works as a LAN port, the USB type A to A cable. So that's pretty much useful, right? Yeah, I haven't thought of that. It's very much useful, but I haven't tried that. But one of my friends, I talked to him, I conversed him. He just said me that he just used that in Airtel, it seems. Yeah, in Airtel, yeah, I think so. But now he just shifted to Hathway due to some issues in his area. So I just recommended him to get Airtel connection. It's now working perfectly fine. Note down is that in his area, he just shifted to a new area. At that area, the Airtel is very much slow. So yeah, the internet and all such things varies, depends on the area thing. So that's no need to worry. So let's jump to the topic of this video. I'm just wasting much of your time. Yeah, it's my experience. So if I say only, you can also know what to do and what to do further. It will be very much helpful for you, I think. So I shared information. So nothing much. So the old modem just holds 2.4 gigahertz, and the newer modem, it supports 2 bandwidth, the 2 variation thing. So a very good thing is that it supports 2 band length, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. It's very useful on occasions. But a very downside is that the older phones which does not support the 5G, the old phones like which came out on 2016, 17, all that kind of very old years. It's not outdated, but old phones. Yeah, those phones have a very major issue is that it connects to the 2.4 GHz. It's fine, but the speed does not exceed more than 50 megahertz per second. I don't know what's the reason. I just tested with my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, also my S20 Plus, which I'm using currently recording the same thing. It's also not a 5G mobile, it's just a 4G thing. I just tested in this mobile. This phone has 8GB RAM. So I think due to the RAM capacity, all kind of stuff, to the latest versions, this phone holds up around 300 megahertz per second. 300 MB per second. It's very much good. But the older phones which my mom and my father are using, that mobile does not have the capacity to pull. I don't know what's the reason. My older router, which I'm using for a couple of years, it worked perfectly fine, but I don't know what's the reason that the new modem doesn't have. Yeah, it's struggling to connect with it, but it's not coming. I don't know what's the reason. So in some software updates or some kind of thing, the router thing, it will be very much helpful if you update the thing. So yeah, I'm just waiting that all my phone will be connected. And regarding to the 5G connectivity, I haven't tested because I do not own a 5G device till yet. My laptop is everything is 4G, so I cannot connect to the 5G network. As I splitted the connection 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, I splitted it to thing, but in my Wi-Fi thing it doesn't show. So I hope you understood what I'm saying now, because I couldn't test it, so that's a big downside. But anyways, in future, if I get a 5G device, I'll definitely test it out and check it. And upcoming, I'll just post the short video like Insta and all kind of things. So stay in contact with me in the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everything, Qurrah Tech. So it's up to you you can just follow and you can be connected with me. And another one very funny part is that you can know that BSNL, Airtel, these providers have a landline connection, their phone connection, their Ethernet, that kind of thing. So through that they can connect it, their landline device, and they can call all kind of stuff. So in this router also, the new router, it has a port for connecting the telephone wire. I asked the guy who came, I asked him, yeah, he said that they're just thinking the future that maybe they will bring that phone connection, I think so, but it has a port, but it's waste till yet. So what I'm thinking is that they didn't bring the phone, that kind of telephone cable wire till now, but they're providing the port in the thing. I also asked him that if I connect another landline phone, will I be able to connect or not? It's just said no. So anyways, it's up to you whether you can get a 2.4 GHz or the 5 GHz based on your device you're using. So my recommendation is that if you're using a very old device, not the device after 2020, the old one 2019, 19, 18, 17, all kind of old one, better not to upgrade to the 5G modem. Go for the old modem, which is very much useful, it's very much speed, it just gives it all kind of thing. But the newer ones have little bit issues in connectivity thing in your previous mobile. So if you just have a latest mobile like 2020 or 2021 trend mobiles, it will be very much helpful, and also the speed will not lag. So that's all about this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And you can also subscribe if you like this one. Yeah, it will be like a support to me. And you can also like, comment, share to friends, all kind of thing. And you can also share this information to your friends, all kind of thing, because many people don't know how to upgrade and they just pay some random thing and kind of thing. And some people have the issues that they just upgrade it and then later on regret that we just upgraded the connection is not good and such kind of thing. So for God's sake, please share this information. So that's all about this video. This is Ahmed from Qurrah Tech. See you next video. Before that, follow me in my social media platforms, handles, everything like Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, so you can stay in contact with me. So see you next video. Bye bye.